Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kay, that pretty little caramel chocolate ting, and I'm back with another video for you guys today. If you haven't already, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also hit that ringer down there so that you guys are notified anytime that I post. Go ahead and follow me on my Instagram at SoFuckingChocolate and follow me as well on my Snapchat at KaylaBabe. I try to interact with you guys as much as I possibly can, so if you guys have any questions or have anything that you guys want me to do or something you guys might want me to try out or something you guys want to see, go ahead and drop that down in the comments below as well. I post for you guys because I want you guys to be happy with what I'm posting, and I post for myself, of course, because I enjoy it. I think it's fun. I want you guys to be happy. You guys support me, and I want to put out work that you guys actually enjoy watching. Share this video, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and it's to your friends, to your mom, to your relative, to your auntie, to your niece, to your cousin, to your sister. Share it as much as you can. Thank you so much, and let's get on to the video. As you guys can see from the title of the video, I'm going to do a hair review today. I've never done a hair review, but I'm doing this for you guys, and I'm also doing it for my own, good, because I definitely want to see how the hair progresses. If you guys are interested, I'll definitely do like a 2-week update. I pretty much just want to see how the hair is in a week from now or 2 weeks from now, so I can see what it first looked like and then kind of compare it and see if it's something that I want to try again or not try again. So what I did was I ordered hair from AliExpress, and it's actually a wig. I don't order my bundles from there. I did in high school and it just didn't work out for me. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it came. It came like this. My address is here, but it came just like this in a normal little UPS package. And then I opened it, and I ordered 2 wigs. I ordered a straight one, 20-inch, and I ordered a curly one, 20 inches as well, because when it shrinks, 20 inches, so it's gonna be shorter than the full length 20. So here are the boxes. Oops. The packaging was pretty cute. I liked it. And so if you go around it, it tells you all of its social media and everything, which I thought was cute. And then on the outside, make sure my address is not on here, it tells you which wig type is inside of the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I already took the wig out, but kind of wanted to show you guys how it came. It came inside of a plastic bag, hair net, and a little stuffing in the middle. So it came pretty cute. This end where it shows you its email, its WhatsApp. I thought the shipping was really good. They kept me updated. They literally sent me an email at least every 2 days. I ordered the hair maybe a week ago, and I got it in about 4 or 5 days. So the shipping was really good. They're really efficient. They make sure you get your package. They make sure you're happy with it. And they keep in contact, so the shipping part was great. So now I'm gonna go ahead and grab the hair, and then I'll be right back and show you guys what I think. All right, so I'm gonna start with straight hair for you. And I ordered a 360 lace frontal wig. So here's the hair, and it's full. Look, it goes all the way. It's pretty full all the way to the tip. I mean, if anything, I could just like trim off that little bit so that it's thick all the way through, but that really doesn't bother me. I really just wanted it to be as natural looking as possible. So the hair is pretty nice. I think once I give it like a nice little co-wash, run my fingers through it, and dye it the right color, I think it'll be great. I don't know if you guys can see, but the knots are not bleached. Can you see that? So the little black, the dots are the knots, and they're not bleached, so I will have to bleach the knots. But the good thing is that the lace did come like pre-plucked. You can see like the little baby hairs, and it's pretty much pre-plucked. And the edges of it are not super thick and bulky, which I cannot stand. The wig goes all the way around, so I can do like a high ponytail, whatever I want to do. And that is the 20-inch. Might be 22, but I think it's 20. And this is the straight hair, and I think it's Peruvian hair. I'm gonna say it's Peruvian because I really believe it is. And if you guys want to see how I bleach the knots and dye the hair, let me know and I will go ahead and post a video of that. I always do my own hair. I don't really like people doing my hair for me. I just like my hair a certain way and I'm very meticulous. This is the Kinky curly, and I wanted it to resemble my natural hair, so it's a little bit tighter than this what I have in. This is a whole different hair company, and I think this is Water Wave. This is not Kinky curly. This one's Kinky curly. I wanted it to like look more natural, more like how my actual hair would look. It is very full, so I'm gonna have to like go ahead and thinning that out because I can't do that. It's too thick for me. And as you can see, the knots are not bleached on here as well. Can you see that? Those little black specks there. I'm gonna go ahead and bleach all that. But it's a good looking wig. Kind of want to show you guys. There you go. So you can see it's kind of pre-plucked, not really. So this one's gonna need some work. But the hair is super thick. This one's a 20 inches as well, and it's so thick, and I love that because you can do a lot with thick hair. When it's too thin, it's like, I don't like when you can see through it. When you look at this hair, you can't see through it. So I think I'm gonna have a good time with the hair. A tip for you guys that I learned the hard way by ruining so many bundles is do not blow dry your hair. It makes it last so much longer. This has nothing to do with the video, but I just thought I'd tell you guys because I learned and I was so depressed when like my hair lost its like silkiness, kind of. It loses its touch. So if you're gonna wash it, I would say co-wash it. Don't really use shampoo, it just dries the hair out. So co-wash it, and that means you're just gonna use conditioner and water. Rinse the hair out really good. Let it air dry, and then go ahead and like style it however you want to. Make sure that you always brush it when it's wet, and finger detangle if you can. It just makes the hair long laster, but last longer. Alright, so to end up this video, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram at Suffocating Chocolate and also on my Snapchat at Kayla Babe, and make sure that you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Just thank you for the support. Like, support means so much to me. I really just want to build my name, get my name out there so that I can continue doing what I love. So thank you so much for supporting me, you guys. It means the world to me.